I'm Brett McQueen, Director of Innovation here at Linamar's Innovation Hub.
Hi, my name is Jesse Webster, and I'm the Engineering Supervisor here at the Linamar Innovation Hub.
My name is Bedr Dosset. I'm a Junior Process Engineer working at Hastech Manufacturing, which is also part of Linamar Corporation.
So Linamar is a Tier 1 global automotive manufacturer, and we were started right here in Guelph, Ontario in 1966. So the goals of iHub are to find startup and scale-ups that have great ideas and help them commercialize it through establishing supply chains, quality management, and operations. iHub is here to also support our facilities by looking for new transformational technologies that can introduce operational efficiencies into the plants. ABB has been a pivotal supplier to Linamar over the evolution of our company. As we look for people to fill job shortages, there's not always people there to put in place, so we've had to turn to automation and robotics in order to fill that gap.
So Hastech was basically doing manual loading, and the operator would have to grab 5 or 10 parts and load them onto the machine. Our goal was to make sure that we install a cell that is able to randomly select parts from a bin and load it to the machine.
Finding the right vision provider, we understood that Apera was very capable in that. Knowing ABB and Apera's relationship, we were able to leverage that for the maximum benefit of the production line. So the first cell being installed took a lot of efforts in the design phase and figuring out how we were going to implement this, trying to marry the new technology with an existing production line. There's 3 streams of production. To have each stream be fed consistently, we decided that each of them should have their own robotic bin picking solution.
Now that we have the ABB Apera AI combination bin picking cells, the operator is able to focus on tasks that are much more important, which is maintaining the machines that are used to manufacture the components, as well as making sure that the parts are being manufactured in good quality. Hastech has gotten the introduction to the AI industry thanks to Apera and ABB. If it can literally cover a labor job, such as random picking parts and putting it into a bin, then imagine what else it can do in the future.